Xeikon has transformed the printing industry in two waves the past decades. First in graphic cards and then in label printing. That was the right time to ask ourselves what is next. So we look at the market needs and our capabilities. And in packaging, we get the same signals as we got for the previous waves. The demand for shorter lead time and operational flexibility at competitive cost. With its size, growth and potential for digitalization, it became clear that the corrugated packaging market had to be our next target. Looking at our core competencies, it was also obvious that Xeikon's workflow know-how, our industrial digital print process skills, and own food-compliant water-based inks are a good match. All backed by Flint Group's long history and strong experience in this market. This is why, a couple of years ago, we decided to embark on an innovative hardware and ink development journey to bring digital production to the corrugated packaging industry. And here we are with IDERA, an industrial, single-pass, high-volume inkjet digital solution to print on corrugated boards. Finally, our vision is to support converters in delivering sustainable and unforgettable packaging to the brand owners.